Bread and butter. A person's main or basic source of income. Teaching is his bread and butter. The shop is small, but it is their bread and butter. Super duper. Extremely good or impressive. The movie was super duper fun. That cake tastes super duper delicious. Dilly-dally. To waste time or move too slowly. Stop dilly-dallying and get ready. We missed the bus because we dilly-dallied. Hanky-panky. Secret, dishonest, or inappropriate behavior. The deal was canceled due to possible hanky-panky. I suspect hanky-panky in the exam results. Argy-bargy. A noisy argument. A small issue turned into an argy-bargy. The meeting ended in an argy-bargy. Okie dokie. An informal way to say okay or yes. Okie dokie, I'll be there on time. He smiled and said, okie dokie. Chit-chat. Light, casual conversation. She enjoys a bit of chit-chat with neighbors. We had some chit-chat before the meeting. Teeny tiny. Extremely small. She lives in a teeny tiny apartment. He gave me a teeny tiny piece of cake. Hocus pocus. Tricks or nonsense meant to confuse or deceive. The salesman's promises were pure hocus pocus. Don't believe his explanation. It's all hocus pocus.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!